Hello and welcome back to Let's Learn Excel. Let's open workbook which we created in the last session. So this is the worksheet. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications regarding such videos. Now we will look at some more features to apply for this particular table here. These are the rows, as we said last time. These are the rows, these are the columns. This particular cell, it is numbered as G and 3, right? This is H and 7, right? So now let's try to insert some rows. Like for example, we want to insert a row between this date and this date. Okay. Now you know how flexible and how versatile and how fantastically developed Excel this is. Now see here, this cell we have 100 here, and now and this cell name is C3, right? This is C4, C5, C6, and this is the sum which we created last time. This the range is from C3 to C6, that is this and this. Now what will happen if I inserted one row here in between this and this? Let us insert and check. Now here, how to insert a row? Click here, right click and say insert. Right, so one row has been inserted now. Now let us have a look at this formula. The formula, the range has now changed. It has become C4 to C7. This is 4 now, next. 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So there is no absolute any difference between, and no complications. Easily one row can be inserted without changing any formulas. You need not worry about any of that. Now we will have a look at borders. Now let us how to apply border for this entire table. Now let us click on this date and hold the left mouse button, select the entire row and all the rows. Now leave it. And now here we will find options for borders. Where is the option for borders? Here, this is the option for borders, right? So now see, so many types of borders you can have. You can have only bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no borders at all borders. Now we will select all borders so that each and every row and cell will have borders. See now, right? Another thing is that, see here, the columns are left aligned. All the contents of the columns are left aligned. Now suppose we want to make it align at the center. Now select all these rows, hold the left mouse button, drag it up to the end of this column, and now we'll say here are the options for alignment of the text. This is by left by default. Now here this is center text. See now here center text has come, right? Now suppose if you want this to be bold, now here bold. Okay, now this has turned bold. Now if you want to change the font, you can change the font, footing, right? Now see here, what has happened is whatever content was there in this column, it is not completely visible. So how to do it? You just double click on this horizontal bar in between C and D. It will adjust itself. Okay, it will adjust that the entire column will get adjusted. Now say suppose you want to center all this all the data here. Now select the data and say center. Select the center column. See. So how easy it is, right? Now we'll insert one more row here, and we will have one title for this sheet. Insert. Okay. Now we'll type here trip expenses incurred during Mumbai trip. Okay, now press enter. See now here now it is not appearing correctly because this column is showing something, this D column is showing something, E column is showing something. Actually we have entered the entire text in this B column, B1 column. Now how to do? Now select these entire columns here, select entire columns and say merge. Now we have to find where is the merge and center. Yes. So the entire title is, so all these columns are merged together, B, C, D. Now you won't find any horizontal lines here in between B and H. So they are only, so now all the formatting is removed, and all these B, C, D, E, F, G, H, they are treated as one, right? Now there is another option for inserting rows. Inserting here, if you click here, it will say insert sheet rows. You can insert sheet columns, insert sheet here. Okay. Now let's have a look at the auto sum feature. Now here we entered this formula and then copied onto this. So now there is another option for auto sum. Let us have a look at that. Now let us insert one blank row here between 8 and 9. Let's say insert. Okay. Now here this column, we will have a total of this breakfast column, but by using auto sum. There is one feature called auto sum here. Here, this is the feature. This is auto sum. When you press on this, the new sum function is already defined here, and this is already typed for us. See here, this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. It automatically adds all these columns in all the rows. See here, auto sum, enter. Right? Suppose we'll enter another rows here, insert another rows. Now if we want to delete these three rows inserted now, you can multi-select these rows and press right click and then select this option delete. So now all those rows have gone.